know Jan?
Not yet.
Okay.
I'm Nestori. Yeah. To meet you.
I'm Flo.
I know him.
Ah, okay.
Noin.
Mä Froe. Moi. Arttu. No varmaan joskus tavaa. Ehkä joskus. Joo. Hauska nähdä.
My name is Nerea, and I work with different subjects and objects that normally involve human beings and the interaction that human beings have.
I'm Flo Tallinn. I work and live in Tallinn. And I would just say that I'm a freelance artist that's really difficult to define.
Okay, so I'm Nestori Syrjälä, and I work with mostly with sculpture, but also film and performance. I'm interested in different aspects of the ecological crisis and the Anthropocene.
I'm an artist from Estonia. My name is Jan Toomik. I am a painter, installation artist, performance artist, video artist, filmmaker.
They actually have never seen their child who has been born in between time, so there's just also the child waiting with this poster. Oh, it has been 9 months, you don't know me, but there's the name of the father, so the father sees the child still diving there, but there's no mother. They just put the child and the carriage and then the poster, and then the father comes and wow, you see your child and this. And then the grannies, holding some welcome home little posters. So anyway, there's this series about these self-made posters which are really nice, and I always feel when I go out from the airport, that somebody would be there waiting for me with a self-made poster, it would be so lovely or something. So that's why the idea, to 4 of us, maybe standing in the plan of the gallery. So to stand here, I don't know if there would be this yellow line on the floor or there would be this gate, which they usually have some very simple, the metal fence that you have to be behind to wait. You can, there has to be some barrier or something, I think. Some very simple thing behind there, for example. But this is a bit...
I had an idea, just a little bit tricky idea. For example, it's a gallery opening. And we are standing somewhere. Just it's a starting point. And we are standing there, and suddenly lights go off,
Okay.
And after 20 seconds or something, after 30 seconds, the lights coming on.
Okay.
And something is different. We are naked, or we are with flowers, or
that's the direction where we are.
or we are disappearing.
Okay, so they are getting more serious, or you are getting more...
No, we are starting to be very serious, but why not to laugh about ourselves, We thought that maybe we could write different approaches, like 4 different approaches, like 4 lines, something like that, and hire a dramaturg or a script writer, and hire an actor. The script writer would put the opening speech,
So the format would be like an open speech?
Yeah, the format would be an opening speech. And the content would be the opening speech would be performed by an actor, not us. If we would hire somebody to write, that's the thing, like that we would drop the idea, like a politician. He doesn't or she doesn't write all the speech. He or she writes the content, the idea, and then the script writer writes the form of it. Why not give the responsibility of the consensus to somebody?
object, whatever. First day we give it the freedom, and tomorrow evening and everybody will have something to show what they would like to have. And then we can discuss if they fit somehow together what all we have. If they start to have a dialogue between each other, or if it works, if we, we can try it out.
Great.
I feel that
I really got that idea in the middle of that sentence when I was trying to come up with some example.
I also think, I mean, we could also support that, like, I do not dislike the idea of, or maybe not, it does not, no, I'm just thinking about the architecture of the moment, like, is he just like, I have a speech, or are we around, are we like...
Yeah, it depends how the openings are usually, because in some places, they always give an opening speech. I don't know how it is in this place.
Because I think that then, like, the key thing is, of course, one option is to write it ourselves, but I like very much more the idea of hiring the script writer, like...
Yeah.
That I think that makes it more, in a way, abstract.
Yeah.
Rather than just to hire the actor.
The first screenwriter is interpreting our ideas, and then it's the actor interpreting those. And the thing is, we have 200 euros.
Yes, 100 each.
Yeah, it's not a lot, but.
But maybe we can, of course, if that's too little, we have to think something else. But maybe we can try to find somebody that would agree with that symbolic fee.
Yeah. I did several, or even many commission performances. But right now it's a bit different situation. We met first time with you, and now we have to produce some common work. It's quite interesting situation.
Yeah, I think as an artist you typically, you have to work for a very long time to build your own approach and your own angle and your own way of seeing things and your own way of then producing the work. And then also for the audience, I think to understand an artist and his work, you have to see many works and follow them for quite a while. And this project is sort of opposite of everything I think that art is somehow.
And it's too easy. You want to give the responsibility to somebody else. It's too easy to hire somebody and to write this thing. It's
I mean, for me, I can also write it, so we can write it together.
But I don't think also that if we would write that would be a good outcome.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's why we thought about hiring someone else to make it into a form, have one person sort of oversee. We would just throw the ideas and, like a politician does, that she throws some ideas and then it's, Of course, I mean, hiring a good speech writer, that's really expensive. Hiring some random person to...
I would also just somehow, I see that if you just randomly spend the money and there would be just a normal speech and no one would understand that. It's not even, necessary to understand if we made it or you made it or who made it.
No, but I mean, in the speech, you can, of course, you can...
explain the format.
I mean, you can, for example, talk about the themes or ideas that we have talked, or what has to do with the...
Because for us, we have been talking a lot about the working processes and the difficulties and the advantages of, like, whether we start from a shape and we add content, whether we start from content and we find the shape. Then we have talked about how is our personal approach in our own practice, but this is not this format is not how we work. We are in a context where we are invited to work in a very different way.
Always I'm feeling some kind of needs to disappear in such kind of situations.
in an opening situation.
Yeah, I don't like openings at all. I used to be in a lot of openings because I have quite long lasting artist career already.
Yeah.
But last time I hate openings.
Yeah.
And that's why I told you that maybe to do some kind of escape. Just light off and we are disappearing somehow. Artificially.
Yeah. But I'm curious, what do you don't like about what do you fear or don't like about the opening? I mean, for me it's like two things. First, if you're showing some new work, you're of course a little bit nervous how people are going to react and how...
It's always with old works also.
Yeah, maybe, but maybe not so much when you already heard feedback and people, and you're more confident on the old works, maybe.
I can be confident, but anyway, you are young. How old you are?
I think I'm 34.
You think?
Yeah, 33. I'm pretty sure I'm 34.
No, I'm pretty sure that I'm 55. You know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that it's some
20
kind of,
years more opening.
My road is going more narrow, you know, and all my interests are also narrowing.
Okay.
You know. Therefore, and also our identity is Nordic identity. We are not very open and communicative people mostly. Or what you are?
Well, maybe I don't know.
So we have to come up something that you are happy with.
Yeah, definitely we have to have a good concept for it to make sense.
Souvenir cannot be the concept. Common identity cannot be the concept. It's too boring.
It should be something not boring.
Yeah. I mean, but then the topic, and the topic, not boring. Yeah, it's anyway the rule. The rule number one is cannot be boring.
Yeah.
I would rather go ecological confession than flying, but I know that you have worked so much with this topic, so for you it's totally boring, but I haven't done, so for me it would be somehow, and heavy also, like, which would give, you know, if you have
Yeah, no, I'm not against it, it's just that...
it could be something better.
Yeah, or maybe it's just it's such a heavy and difficult subject somehow that it might be difficult to deal with it in a meaningful way in 2 days. But maybe not. I mean, it's quite interesting, this kind of pressure. I often feel that
But you don't like it, the pressure.
I think it's important, like the challenge that I'm facing at the moment, which is to find consensus. In a very short time. I find it very interesting. This conflict is interesting, so I think I would write about it. Or like I think that we have now 10 minutes left and it's like, I mean, I think easily what I would talk about is this. The different approaches that have to be like binding together in a format. When it's something that doesn't come naturally. The light goes off, and how about if we have all the balloons connected and we pull string, and then when they are all gone, like that when the light goes on, there are no balloons. Like first there were balloons, and after a few seconds there's no balloons. They disappear, but without popping. You know, like they are all attached with the string, and then somebody pulls the string with the light off. You know, there's like that, and then there's nothing.
Okay.
You know, this okay, something, nothing. But and maybe not balloons, but something even more abstract, because balloons are celebrations
and also it's some kind of empty space with ears.
I like a bit the idea of black out and then something else completely changes.
Yeah, it's very. It has to be minimal.
I like it. Yeah, I like minimal action, but it has to be very sharp.
Yeah.
And still, I wouldn't kick away the welcoming thing, but I start to feel quite much for this idea of.
Yeah. Because on the video it's also this on and off. Yeah.
Because consensus is very difficult to achieve.
Yeah.
Democracy is hard when there is little time.
Yeah.
And now we are trying to do something democratic.
Yeah.
And we don't know each other. We have never worked together, even though, for example, we know.
Yeah.
So it's also something very capitalist to buy the consensus from somebody. You know, we just give money to somebody that will help us to create the consensus. So it helps us, and it makes everything faster and more like
Yeah, but it's also the idea that there's someone, because in many projects it's always, you know, in Finnish there's this saying, it's best to have like one chef who makes the food and not have four people, because it will just be a bland mess if there's 4 people making the soup. So that way it's good if we can find a structure where we can somehow give this role of the director or some kind of role of one person in charge who brings his or her vision. So it's like in the end like one vision somehow, one idea. Yeah.
That's a bit naive also. Sorry, but it's good to throw bad ideas.
Everything is naive. If you are not naive, you are not artist.
Yeah, we have to start from somewhere.
You have to go to business.
Text about your experience. This is something else. You started to explain about this process.
Yeah, that if I would have to talk about something.
But what if you talk that you would give them the text that the person
I think that my speech would be related to this process. And I would talk about.
This is an